Has this happened to you where you're using Adobe After Effects, you're getting a bunch of work done, and for some reason, some weird glitch happens, and Adobe After Effects somehow gets stuck or locked off screen? You're trying to move it back, but for some reason, it's just stuck in this odd position. Here's how to fix this. This also works for pretty much any program in Mac that gets kind of this weird glitch, or for some reason, and I don't know even how this happens, where it gets stuck and locked off screen. First thing you're gonna do is hold Option and Shift on your keyboard. Option and Shift. The next thing I'm gonna do is gonna go down here where I kind of get that weird arrow in terms of resizing. I'm gonna click and drag like this, and as you can see already, it's resized the entire thing. And then go here, I'm gonna click the green icon up top, and boom, good to go.